Finally, I get to introduce you guys to the brand new king size dial by Eureka for their Mignon line. Now, one of the main complaints about this grinder over the years has been, despite the fact that it gives you excellent grind quality and excellent build quality, the knob was just way too small. Well, finally they listened and they made this big honker. So this is a nice piece of aluminum here. It is I believe, anodized aluminum. It's got white paint on top for the numbers. It's got the Eureka logo on it, and it comes with a pointer. So essentially, this whole assembly comes with a couple plastic pieces that are held in place by double-sided tape that gets taped down to the top here of the lid, and then you screw this on. You find the calibration point, and then you just stick this guy right in there, and now you got a pointer. Now you got a beautiful big dial, much easier to turn and much easier to read. It's much more legible than this little guy down here. So it's just great. And in this video, I want to show you guys how to install it.
Getting value from this video? Please take a moment to like and subscribe.
Alrighty, let's get started in mounting this king size dial here for the Eureka. So it does come with some assembly steps right here, which we're going to go through. It also shows you exactly what's in the box. So what we're going to do first is go ahead and unscrew the old one, the old knob, the smaller one, right away, all the way. Next step, we've got to take this adhesive here and separate the backing from the adhesive. We're going to put this on the part B. Alrighty. Then we got to remove as well the second backing from the film. This is double-sided tape. Alright. Let's give this a good wipe down, make sure there's no dust or anything here on the grinder. And now we have to take part C here, and we have to use this as a template. So we're just going to put this right in the corner here, and we're going to snug this part B right up to there and use that as our spacing template. And then press down. Alright, now we can remove that part C spacer. This right here is part D. And this part D is going to be what actually points at the position of your king size dial, as you can see there. And we have to mount part D. So we're going to put that on there just like that. That's going to slide inwards later. Now, the next step is to put on the dial itself. And what I suggest doing is putting the two screws in, not completely, but just enough so that you have easier access now. Let's just screw these screws in just to that point there. Alright, machine is on. Let's start it and find that point. Getting there. Oh, there it is. Okay, right there. Alright, so that right there is the 0 point, and therefore we're going to stick this dial on, and the 0 goes here to where the pointer is going to be. So now we can slide that part in, put the dial on there. Excellent. Now, finally, we're going to take our Allen wrench and just tighten up the two spots. I'm going to tighten up here at the 10 o'clock position. And now I have to coarsen the grind to get to the second screw. Alright, so now I can just turn in the second screw here. Excellent. There we go. Let's give it a test. Alright, so now let's just give it a test. Okay, 0 is the calibration point, and now we know exactly where we're at when we want to dial in our espresso or even our pour over or whatever else that you want to make. Alrighty, thanks for watching the video, and I hope it was helpful for you. Very nice. Ooh, very nice. So let me know, write comments, you know what, put a hashtag king size dial if you think that this is cool, and just write what you think about it, and also where you're watching from, because that's interesting too. All right, thanks a lot guys. Until next time, I say happy coffee drinking and happy espresso drinking. Bye now.